Careful! These Spanish words do not mean what you think. First one, embarazada. Embarazada does not mean embarrassed. If you say estoy embarazada, it means I'm pregnant. Second, molestar. Molestar does not mean to molest. Molestar means to bother someone. So if somebody says estoy molesto or estoy molesta, it means I'm bothered. Third one, excitado. Excitado does not mean excited. If you say estoy excitado or estoy excitada, it means I'm aroused. So if you want to say I'm excited, it's better that you say estoy emocionado or estoy emocionada. Next one, éxito. Éxito does not mean exit. Éxito means success. If somebody says tengo éxito, it means I am successful. Have you ever been tricked by any of the false friends in Spanish? Write down in the comments below.